and I have several of them in the back, young ones, but let me get back here so you can appreciate it. This year apparently has started growing way better than it has in the former years. Apparently it likes the environment it's in, the location, the sun, and the rest of the Dougherty Garden, and guess everything else that is adjacent to it. It has a nice little palm base stem. You can take a look at those, a little rounded at the bottom. It's surrounded by iris plants. That's my granddaughter. I had a plant that she loves, her teddy bear palm tree. I have about 6, 7, or 8 of them, puppies I call them, in the Dougherty Garden. And what's nice about them, this is growing just as well as, not that this is mom, but this one has yet to put on its seeds, but I got the seeds from Ruth, from her tropical garden. She grows literally hundreds of palm trees. And I just wanted to capture one of the palm trees in the Dougherty Garden. Today's variety is that of the teddy bear palm tree. I put these little wind devices, I forget what they call them, like little windmills. The wind's catching, the kids get a kick out laying back here. And it just looks rather striking. Nice trunk, as opposed to the solitaire of some of the other palm trees around it. It has a nice clean base, which is it makes it look a little prettier than all the other palm trees it's standing there. So this is just Marty's. This is letting you see what's a teddy bear palm tree. Let me see if we can get back a little further so you can really appreciate it. And Marty Dougherty in the Dougherty Garden with the teddy bear palm tree. And there she is. Literally about almost 10 to 12 feet if you get to the tip of the tallest branch. So thank you for stopping by. This is Marty in the Dougherty Garden with Kylie's little palm tree. Thank you for stopping by. Bye-bye. Visit us.